I meant to show the work that I did for the Goldbach Conjecture, and now that I've been playing with GPT, I'm going to show it here very briefly, and I'll put the code in the comments in the description of the video. I'm not going to run the code, even though it runs fast. I took the GPT code for Goldbach and tested it. It works. When you do 40, it'll give you 3 and 37. Now, in my case, I wanted to be able to plot all the combinations, and I did that in Excel. I'm not going to show it here, but you can do it out of this code. I'm also not going to explain this code in detail, but you can paste through it and you figure out what it does. I used pandas because I wanted it to be a data frame that I could write to Excel, and so it does all the combinations. In this case, this test code will do a range. It'll do a range between a number and another number. You always have to do evens, and it steps by 2, I think. Yeah, it steps by 2. So in this case, you're doing from 40 to 52, and you'll see that the output will give you all the numbers. Now, GPT only picks one. So for example, for 40, GPT just gives you 3 plus 37. Here, I give you all of them in this code, and then I put it into a procedure, and it's called goldbachrange, and you'll see the ranges, and I tested it. Of course, what you put in, it excludes, it jumps by 2, so this is really 40 to 42, and you'll see it in the output. But this is a pandas data frame, which is really helpful. Then you can do a wider range, and you'll see that you get larger values. Then I did it where it just does that one specific number. This is also very interesting. So what are the Goldbach combinations for 20? And it'll give you that there are 2. Then if you do it, and I tested that it's the same code, so I wanted to make sure. And then, of course, if you do 1,000, these are all the combinations, Goldbach combinations for 1,000. And then you can do like bigger. You can just go bigger. And I've done this for larger numbers, used it to plot the Goldbach conjecture.